Welcome to the channel Trailblazers. My name is Neeraja. I'm sure watching this video is really going to help you. In this video, I explain how to enable Net Zero Cloud automation. I will go through some of the tasks which can be automated in the Salesforce Net Zero Cloud. Let us get started. We can actually automate some of the Salesforce Net Zero Cloud tasks. From setup, enter net zero and click on net zero configurations. Now by default all the settings are off. You will turn them on as per the requirement. The general configurations. Carbon accounting is done for a year. The default setting is calendar year. However, you can also choose fiscal year. Let us leave it as calendar year for now. The next setting is auto assign carbon footprint setting. Assign carbon footprint to energy use record. When this is enabled, the app finds the relevant carbon footprint record that matches the emission source and the start and or end date. And it assigns this carbon footprint record to the energy use record what we create. So the carbon footprint record is already existing for the particular source and the time range. Let us see how this works. Now for the year 2024, we already have a carbon footprint record in the org. I have created some environmental sources. Let us click on ABC Enterprises. We will create one energy use record, say electricity record. Since we are creating this energy use record from the related list, the source is automatically populated. We are not going to enter anything in the stationary asset carbon footprint because that is what we are checking, right? We are checking if this footprint is going to be automatically assigned to this record. What we have to enter is the start date and the end date. Let us say February. My fuel consumption is say 850 kilowatt hours and it is for electricity. So what we have entered is start and end date and the source. We are going to check if this carbon footprint is automatically assigned or not. Let us save this record. Yes. You can see as soon as we save this stationary asset energy use record, what did the app do was it found out the relevant carbon footprint record which existed for this source and this time range, and it assigned it to the energy use record what we created. So this is basically the assign carbon footprint to energy use record setting what we are talking about. Now it can happen that there is no carbon footprint record for the source and the date range of the energy use record. It does not exist. So how is Net Zero Cloud going to assign it to the record? Here comes this setting. If auto create carbon footprint setting is enabled, then the app it creates the carbon footprint record automatically and assigns it to the energy use record. Let us see how this works. Now I will select another environmental source, say NZC Limited. Again, let's create an energy use record here. NZC test record. Again, the source is automatically populated because we are creating it from the related list. This is what we are going to check, that the carbon footprint which does not exist, it is automatically created and assigned here to this record what we are creating. So let us enter the start date, maybe this month, January 2024. I am entering the fuel consumption, kilowatt hours for electricity. Let us click save. So this carbon footprint, it didn't exist before. However, we had provided the environmental source and a date range, the time span. So what the Net Zero app did was, it automatically created the carbon footprint record and it assigned it to the energy use record. Now the detailed documentation of the conditions for automatic creation of this carbon footprint record, it is available in the description box below. Please make sure you check the documentation, because there are also conditions where this auto creation and auto assignment, it doesn't work. So in this Salesforce documentation, you will find all the details regarding this auto assign carbon footprints configuration. So when your users create energy use records without any carbon footprint information, you can automatically assign or create and assign the carbon footprint to that particular record. I hope this video was helpful and quite insightful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.